and waste on social media. Still you are left with 5 hours. It is for those who are going to the college, because you have certain compulsions and certain students who are preparing full time, who are done with college. You have 24 hours. So out of the 24 hours, let's take that you have a very healthy sleep of 8 hours. That's done. And 2 more hours you want to waste. How many hours? 8 plus 2 plus 2? 12 hours. A lot of students ask me what is the way in which I manage time when I was in, because 2022 का अटेम्प्ट मैंने दिया, I was in the army still. जो आपका रूटीन एक्टिविटीज, खाने का टाइम है, नहाने का टाइम है, clean your rooms also, उसका टाइम है, उसको निकाल के you are still wasting 6 hours. Without that also, you are able to manage 8 hours. That is what is required. But what we will do, we will not even do that. Anybody of you who is in the college right now? Final year? Second year or third year? Second year. So you still have time. ठीक है? तो अगर आप कॉलेज जा रहे हैं, ठीक है? First let's focus on the ones who are going to the college. What is the college schedule? How many hours? 9 to 5. How many hours? 8 hours. How many hours you want to sleep? 6. Let's make it 8. 8 plus 8? 16. You are left with 8 hours.